If you're currently using sublimation to custom print your apparel, but you are experiencing some limitations with that product, there is a solution, and it's known as UltraColor MAX direct-to-film transfers. It can achieve just as much full color and fine detail, but it can go across a variety of different substrates, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's start at the Fusion IQ. A common limitation for sublimation is being able to heat apply cotton poly fleece, and it's a very popular style of garment in the apparel decoration industry, so we wanna make sure we do have a solution for that. I'm threading my hoodie onto the 16 by 20 platen, and I do have a pillow loaded on there so that whenever we heat apply and lock down our upper heating element, the seams are going to sink down into the pillow and keep my print area nice and flat with an even pressure. Before we place the transfer, we're going to do a quick preheat. We want to prep the garment to make sure it is ready for application. And all you have to do is tap that with the upper heating element, not necessary to lock down. Now we'll place the transfer. And as you can see, our UltraColor MAX direct to film can achieve just as much as sublimation can. Fine detail, full color, and photorealism if you are doing designs like that. And the beauty of this is it applies at 290 degrees for just 12 seconds. So all I have to do is lock my heat press down and it'll apply that for me in just a short amount of time. This product is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove that carrier as soon as that application is complete. And you can see that we are not compromising the finish of the fleece at all either. In comparison to sublimation, UltraColor has a nice flat matte finish, very thin, and feels great on a variety of substrates so that it complements some of your sublimation designs that you're currently doing. Imagine being able to utilize all of your sublimation designs with no limits. That's exactly what UltraColor MAX can bring to your business. For more information on this product, check out the link in the description.